Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can edit or change the SEO settings of your site on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, usually what you're going to be using for SEO on any site is a couple of different things. You're going to use the services that the search engines you want to target are using. So in Google's case, it's the Google Search Console and the Google Analytics. You can use both if you have a Google account, I'm pretty sure free of charge. And you can also use the Bing Webmaster Service if you're using or targeting Bing. Now, what you're going to be doing to change the SEO options in Shopify is you're going to modify the robots.txt file. This is a file that gives instructions to the search engine how to communicate with the robots it sends out and your site as well. The way you can change this is under Sales Channels, you're going to go into Online Store, and under Themes, you're going to search for the theme you're currently using, then click on the three dots, which are additional actions, and then go into Edit Code. This will open up the code editor, and you can edit the themes files. Now, as you can see, I already have a robots.txt.liquid file. I'm going to delete it and show you guys how to add one. Now, as you can see, templates is the second folder from the top, and you're just going to open it up and click Add a new template, and then select robots.txt from the menu. This will create a new liquid file, which is the robots.txt.liquid file, which you can then edit with the SEO rules of your choice. I'm not exactly sure how you can edit the robots.txt file. I'm not very proficient in search engine optimization, but you can use this and you can edit it with whichever instructions you see on the internet, which you can implement to give you a better SEO experience for your site. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.